When we look at the night sky, a question quietly forms. If we are inside the universe, does it have an edge, a final boundary, a last point, a place where space simply ends? It feels like a reasonable question. After all, everything we know has a limit. Oceans have shores, land has boundaries. So why wouldn't the universe? But here's the first problem. We imagine the universe as something inside something else, like a box or a bubble. But the universe is not an object sitting in space. The universe is space. Asking where it ends is like asking where does everywhere stop. There is a limit we can talk about, not an edge of space, but an edge of what we can see. Light travels at a finite speed. It takes time to move. So when we look far away, we are also looking back in time. There is a distance so vast that light from beyond it has never reached us. Not because it doesn't exist, but because the universe hasn't had enough time. This boundary is called the observable universe, and it is not a wall, it is a horizon. Now comes the deeper reason. The universe is expanding, not into empty space, but everywhere at once. Galaxies are not flying outward from a center. Space itself is stretching. As space stretches, distance grows. Some regions of the universe are moving away from us faster than light, not breaking physics but carried by expanding space. Their light will never reach us, no matter how long we wait. So, what if we travel? What if we build a ship and head towards ahead toward the edge? Here's the truth. As we move forward, the horizon moves with us. New regions come into view, but others disappear behind. The universe doesn't reveal an edge, it simply gives you a new center. No matter where you go, you are always in the middle. This is the part that feels hardest to accept. The universe has no center and no boundary, not because it is infinite in size, but because it is finite without an edge. Like the surface of a sphere, you can walk forever and never find a corner, never reach an end, only more surface. Space may work the same way, closed but unbounded. Beyond the observable universe is not nothing. There may be more galaxies, more structures, more patterns, but they exist outside our casual reach. They are real, just not accessible. The universe is larger than what we can ever know. So, we will never reach the edge of the universe. Not because we are too slow, not because we lack technology, but because there is no edge to reach, only limits to observation, only horizons that retreat as we approach them. The universe doesn't end with a wall, it ends with distance, with time, with light that hasn't arrived and perhaps never will. We don't live inside a small universe. We live inside a reality far larger than our ability to touch. And that is not a limitation, it is a reminder of how vast existence truly is. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, you can subscribe to the channel.